Hello. I'm going to talk to you a little bit about the tech side of affiliate systems. So you probably have covered a bunch of the strategy and how affiliate systems work with Bushra. And now I'm going to talk to you a little bit about the practicalities of setting one up. So you already have an understanding of how affiliate systems work. You set up your affiliate system and people sign up to be affiliates and you give them a link that is personal to them to promote your stuff, and when people click that link they come to your website and they buy something, and the system recognizes how they got to your website and they attribute the sale to that particular person whose link they clicked so that they get credit for it and they earn a commission. Now, how exactly does that work? The technical underpinnings of the system in general are cookies. Not obviously the delicious kinds of cookies that we eat, but the kind that get stored in your browser when you navigate to a website. So a cookie, if you are not all that familiar with the term, is a small piece of data that whenever you navigate to a website, that website sends that cookie, that tiny piece of data, to your computer, and your computer stores it in your web browser. Their cookies are used to identify users, to store information. One of the ways that we probably see it working a lot is when you go to a website and you plan to buy something and then you add it to your cart and you think, well, maybe I don't need that, and you walk away and you close out that website, and then a day later, a week later, you come back to that website and the stuff you put in your cart is still there. That's a cookie in action, remembering the information that that was in there the last time that you were on the site. So for affiliate marketing, when you give an affiliate their personal link and somebody clicks that link to go to your site puts a cookie in their browser that tells your site how they got there in the first place. So your site remembers who sent them to your site, and when they make a purchase, that person who sent them gets credit for that. So the cookies get stored in people's browsers, and they don't have to buy immediately in that first session when they come to your site. If they come back later and they buy, your affiliates can still get credit. There's some limitations to that tracking. For example, if your affiliate promotes with their affiliate link and a user clicks that affiliate link on their computer and they go to look at your site, but they don't buy right then and there, later they're on their iPad or they're on their phone and they go to your website and they decide to buy. If they didn't click the link in that device where they are navigating to your site in that moment, then it's possible that your affiliate won't get credit because the browser that they used in that device is not the same browser that they were using when they clicked the affiliate link in their computer, so that cookie isn't stored there. So that's why you always educate your affiliates and tell them to promote, and always, tell people to click the link right before you buy, so, they can be sure to get credit. It's common in big launches for people to say, oh, I wanted this person's bonus, so I clicked their affiliate link, but now it's saying I don't have credit. And when you dig into it and you ask them questions, it turns out, yeah, they clicked the affiliate link at some point, but then when they went to buy, they used a different browser or a different device or something like that happened, and that's why it's not showing up as crediting them. So one limitation of the cookies in the affiliate systems is that, sometimes if people use a different browser, use a different device from the one where they originally were when they click the affiliate link, then it might not get tracked. And obviously, there's a time limitation to it as well. Cookies expire. So if somebody clicks and then they wait a very long time to buy, by the time they buy, your affiliate may not get credit. And this is actually a setting in many affiliate programs. You can decide how long you want cookies to be valid. So you say, I want to give credit to my affiliates, but only for sales that happen within 30 days of somebody clicking their link. You can set that expiration date. And if people click through their link and then buy more than 30 days later, then they don't get credit anymore. So that's sort of the background on cookies and how affiliate systems actually work as far as the tech and some of their limitations. Now, one of the ways that you can do an affiliate program is to use a WordPress plugin. If you have a WordPress website and you're already selling things on your WordPress website and you want to keep everything there, you can get a plugin for your affiliate system and download it to your site and integrate it with what you're already using there to sell, so that everything is connected and it tracks and you can keep track of everything that happens. The two plugins that I've used the most with my clients who go this route are WordPress Affiliate and Affiliate WordPress, and I'm going to show you a little bit about them. The WordPress Affiliate plugin is this one. It's made by the people who make easy digital downloads, and their website is affiliatewordpress.com. It's a pretty good plugin. You buy it from them, you upload it to your site, and I'm going to show you what that looks like using the NPM site. So once you log into your site and you upload the plugin, this thing over here that says affiliates shows up, and it has all these other screens for you. So if you go straight to settings, you can start setting up your plugin. And this is where you get to decide a lot of things like, well, first off, you would put in your license number. And you get to decide what page on your website is going to be the affiliate area, and whether you want the affiliate links to always have the user ID at the end, or if you want to use a username instead, what they call pretty URLs. And if you want to use last referrer or first referrer, if you don't know what that means, you can look for it. I'm sure Bushra explained it in the earlier part of the training, but basically it's, do you credit the first person whose link they clicked or the last one they clicked right before they bought? That's, you know, if multiple people are promoting your stuff, who do you want to give credit to? And what percentage do you want to pay people for their sales? Do you want to exclude shipping and tax in the referral calculations? Do you want to, how long do you want that cookie to be valid? Remember, we just talked about that. What currency you're using, you know, all of these things you set up here. You decide, excuse me, so for WordPress Affiliate, if you are selling, not using Easy Digital Downloads, you can still use this plugin. It integrates with a bunch of different checkout options. In this case, we're using PayPal. So here we have PayPal and Optimized Member checked because we're using Optimized Member for managing the membership part of the website. But whatever you're using, you would set it here. Then under emails, you can draft the notifications you want to send to yourself when people sign up as affiliates, and to affiliates when they sign up, their welcome email. And if you want to send them an email when they make a referral and they earn a commission, you can draft that here. Generally in the welcome email, we give them a bunch of information about what they just signed up for, right? Like, this is the affiliate program, this is how it works, this is how much we're going to pay you, this is when we're going to pay you. This is your affiliate login, this is where you can find your promotional materials, these are our recommendations for best practices on promoting, all of that stuff goes in here. And under miscellaneous, we have, you know, a bunch of other miscellaneous settings. What kind of, do we want to allow affiliates to register automatically, or do we want to approve them? Do we want to cancel unpaid referrals automatically if the product gets refunded? Do we want to ignore $0 sales? Obviously, if it's $0, there's going to be no commission, so you can just ignore it and then it doesn't get logged. And then under tools, there's also a few things that you can set up, mainly to connect it. Like if you're using Zapier, you can get an API key for that. Yeah, and then the rest of these screens are about just looking at reports of your affiliates, who your affiliates are, what their visits are, how much have they sold, etc. And under creatives, you would get to make your promo tools. So this is a pretty good plugin. It does quite a few things. It integrates with quite a few checkout methods. In our case, for example, we're using PayPal. So the way that it tracks the referrals is that when people buy in PayPal, after they finish the transaction, they get redirected back to a thank you page on the website, and there's a short code that we get from this plugin that we put on that thank you page. And we use a different thank you page for each product that we're selling so that the short code is individual to each product. And when people hit that thank you page with the short code, the system can identify that they made a purchase, and it can credit that specific product sale to the affiliate. This is a good plugin. It does a lot of things that it's not really a limitation, but something that sometimes annoys my clients is that depending on what you're trying to do, you can end up needing to buy a bunch of add-ons. So it does a lot of things on its own, but then if you want the affiliate center to look a certain way and it doesn't work that way out of the box, maybe you need an add-on to get it to do that. Or if you want it to show people a certain screen, you might need an add-on. Or if you want to give to keep track of opt-ins, not just sales, you might need another add-on for that. They have a lot of add-ons, so it has a lot of added functionality. And some of these add-ons are free and some of them are paid. So it is a very capable system. It just can end up being kind of complicated because not only are you having to add the plugin to your site and then connect it to whatever it is you're using to sell and make sure that it all works seamlessly and that it all connects okay, but then to get it to do exactly what you want it to do, you may end up having to add another plugin and another plugin and another add-on because all these add-ons are plugins that you have to put on your site as well and make sure that all of them end up working exactly the way that you want to. So it doesn't necessarily come out of the box exactly the way that you want it to, in my experience. My clients maybe have just wanted very specific things that have ended up needing all of these extra add-ons. So it's sort of a double-edged sword. You can get pretty specific in the functionality, but of course that means that you have to do a bunch of extra work sometimes. The other plugin that I have used for my clients is Affiliate WordPress. This gets a little confusing because, this is Affiliate WordPress. The other one is WordPress Affiliate. WordPress Affiliate, the website for them is tipsandtricks-hq.com, and then this is one of their many plugins available. But WordPress Affiliate Platform plugin is the first one that I actually learned about, and it, similar to the one we just reviewed, has a bunch of different settings. It's a plugin, you upload it to your site, you activate it, and then you can go straight to WordPress Affiliate settings, because this little WordPress Affiliate part shows up in your site, and you can set the language, you can set the cookie expiration date, the currency that you're using, the landing page where people go when they sign up, whether you want to approve people automatically or manually, what the commission level is. They have a second tier affiliate program, which means you can pay people for the people they refer, and then for the people they refer to refer. So like a second tier, you can do that if you want. I actually don't have any clients who do that, but it's an option. You can set up the emails people get when they sign up, the emails you get if people sign up. You can connect it to PayPal. So generally with affiliate programs, you sort of get the same settings that you have to decide on. The screens may look a little different. This one has autoresponder settings. It can hook up to your Aweber account or MailChimp or GetResponse if you're using any of those. If you're using something else, you can try this generic one that they have. This one, I think, is a little easier to set up because it's less customizable. So it might be a little harder. It might not harder, actually. It might be a little easier to set up, but you won't be able to maybe modify it as much as you want to get it to do exactly what you want. If you have very strong preferences about how you want it to work and what you want it to do, you may not be able to achieve that with this plugin. It's less customizable than the Affiliate WordPress because it doesn't have all of these other add-ons that you can use. But it is a good plugin. It works. I have had clients who use it, and people There's an affiliate center, just like in the other one. People can log in, they can see their information there, they can get their creatives. In this plugin allows you to do creatives as far as banners that people can use, and it also allows you to have some text that you draft and people can just copy and paste, which is not something that you can do with the Affiliate WordPress one. You can do banners with Affiliate WordPress, but you can't do the text that they can just copy and paste. I mean, you could probably find a workaround, but it's not a native feature of the plugin, whereas this one, the WordPress Affiliate does have that. And you would find that under Manage Ads. You can add a banner with a link, or you can do creatives. Here they call creatives the text ones. So there's, some functions that this plugin has that the first one doesn't, like you can do a 2-tier program and you can have the text creatives, which you don't as easily find in the Affiliate WordPress, but then again, the Affiliate WordPress one is more customizable because it has all of those add-ons that WordPress Affiliate doesn't. So if WordPress Affiliate does what you need your system to do, this might be a better option for you. If you need more customization or specific functions that this doesn't have, but that you are able to achieve with Affiliate WordPress, then this one might be a better option for you. Pros of using an affiliate, a plugin for your WordPress site is that it can integrate with whatever, if you find the right one, if it works with whatever you're using, it can integrate with whatever is already on your site with your existing sales infrastructure, so that you can use your existing sales pages, your existing order forms or buy buttons or whatever you're using, your thank you pages, and just integrate them with the plugin that you put on your website. The problem with that is that anytime you introduce a plugin with your website into your website, it can cause an issue. I haven't had it happen with these before, but it could happen that you put it on your site and it causes a conflict with something else, or it could, anytime that you set up something there, you're going to have to test and troubleshoot, and sometimes something isn't working, it's not tracking. It could end up being, if for some reason something doesn't go well with your setup, it could be more complicated and take more time and more effort to get it working than something else maybe that is an all-in-one system. So that takes me to the next part of this training, which is standalone systems. So WordPress plugins is what we just covered, and standalone systems are systems like ClickBank or Gumroad or Teachable that are outside of your WordPress website, but where you set up your store, you set up your products, they all get sold through them, they process the payments, they deliver the content. And some systems like these that I have listed here, there's many more out there, but these are some that I know are popular. So ClickBank, Gumroad, Teachable, you set up your stuff with them and they have an integrated affiliate system so that you can let people sign up to your store or whatever they call it there, and they give them their affiliate links and it all gets managed on their site versus your own WordPress site. So ClickBank, like I said, is a popular one. I've never used it myself in this capacity or any other really. I don't think I've used ClickBank before, but you can upload your products and start selling there and then look at their affiliate system. So people can sign up with ClickBank to promote and they can find your product and sign up to promote it. Gumroad is very popular for people who are selling info products like ebooks and stuff like that, and they've rolled out their affiliate program. So if you're selling on Gumroad, people can sign up to be an affiliate for your products, and they get a link, they promote them, Gumroad keeps track of those sales and those commissions, and you handle everything within the Gumroad system. Teachable is super popular right now for people who are selling e-courses. So you create like your little school on the Teachable site and you use their themes to make it look pretty and stuff. It lives outside of your WordPress site and you can sell using their forms, and they give your users a login and all this, all of your contact content gets dripped from Teachable, and they also have an affiliate system. So if you're using Teachable to sell your courses membership to your schools, you can sign up for the affiliate program as well, enable it in your account, and then people can sign up to be affiliates, so they get a link, they can promote, and Teachable keeps track of those sales, those commissions, so you can manage it all internally there. So the advantage of these systems is that, you know, it's all managed there. They've kind of already set up the infrastructure. You can just, you know, you have a few settings to tweak here and there, but overall they've already taken care of making sure that it works and that everything tracks properly. The problem with using one of these systems is that if you are not selling all of your products using the same system, then people can sign up to maybe promote on Teachable, but then if you're selling some other stuff on your website, it's not the same program for that. Or, you know, if you just like to have more control over things, these programs are probably nowhere near as customizable as what you would get if you are setting it up on your own website. But they're definitely good options if you're using one of these systems to sell your products already, to just be able to sign up for their affiliate programs. And finally, the last thing I wanted to mention are systems like Ontraport or Infusionsoft, which are way more robust than an affiliate, than a WordPress plugin or a little shops system like Gumroad or Teachable. A system like Ontraport or Infusionsoft is your email marketing. It's where you keep your email lists that you use to send out your newsletters or your, you know, whatever you call anything that has to do with your email marketing, really. But they also have the capability to sell your stuff. You can host your products there and use the order forms to sell. It processes the payment. And they also have affiliate systems that you can create within the system. So you're doing your email marketing, your sales, your affiliate systems all in the same backend. And it's all integrated by nature because it's all in the same system. And it's pretty customizable from what I've seen. I don't have any experience with Infusionsoft, but my understanding is that it's very similar in functionality to Ontraport. So you can manage all of those things that I just mentioned. And those systems are much more robust because they have so many more functions than just a plugin or just a shop system. But, you know, you kind of have to be committed to going all the way with those systems. They are usually more expensive. They take more time to set up in the beginning, for sure. Down the road, they can make things a lot easier for you, and if you're planning to grow into one of them, it can be a good idea to switch early on so that, you know, the migration is not as brutal when you get there. But a WordPress plugin or selling with one of these standalone sites is definitely a good option if that's where your business is and that works for how you're wanting to manage things and to sell on your site. So I hope this was somewhat helpful. And if you guys have any questions, I'm sure that Bushra will let you know how to get those addressed.